Barbecue.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, and today we have another fabulous table idea coming at you straight from my house. We're doing a pasta table today. Now, if you don't know what a table thing is that we're doing, like we're pasta table, go back, look at my nacho table that we did just a couple episodes ago, and that's what we're doing today. We're going to do the same thing as a nacho table, except with pasta. So we're going to get on cooking our pasta. Some friends are coming over, they're bringing food, and then we're going to have a huge table full of pasta, and we're just going to chow down. So let's get started cooking. Well, was it a success?
Yes.
Yes?
Oh my god.
So we got plans for the next one, right?
Yep.
I'm not going to say what it is. We're not going to say what it is.
To be determined. It's going to be a surprise.
It's going to be a surprise. All right. Now we have to clean up.
That's the easy part.
That's the easy part.
That's right. That is the easy part.
That's the best part.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for me. That is it for this week's video. The pasta table, awesome, perfect. It was a success. It was awesome, and we really liked it. We've got a few more ideas for some other tables, and hopefully we'll see those videos in the future. But that's it. That's all I got for now. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at NewBQ2020, and TikTok at NewBQ Backyard Barbecue. And we'll see you guys next week on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace.